All right, David, thanks. Well, a federal judge issues an injunction that puts the brakes on a new regional water authority in the city of Jackson. The judge's order prevents the new Metro Jackson Water Authority from doing any work. 16 WAPT's Ross Adams is live at 6 from the federal courthouse with more. Ross.
U.S. District Judge Henry Wingate read his order from the bench Thursday afternoon. The judge didn't say how long the injunction would last, but he did make clear that even if that 9-member water authority has enough members for a quorum, it will be prohibited from making any decisions regarding Jackson's water and sewer system. Now, it's important to remember that there's an interim stipulated order, federal order, which gives Judge Wingate oversight of the water system through the interim third-party manager, Ted Hennepin, who now operates Jackson Water. In arguments earlier before the court, City Attorney Drew Martin said House Bill 1677, passed by the legislature, preempts Wingate's jurisdiction. A lawyer for the state told the judge he should reject the city's motion for an injunction because they had not filed a proper claim to challenge the law. Mayor John Horn and 3 council members attended today's hearing. They're all praising today's ruling. Mayor, would you like to see this law permanently blocked from taking effect?
Well, again, we have been steadfast, the city of Jackson has, in saying that if we don't have control of this authority that we control and own the assets of, that we are responsible for the debt for, that we don't want to see that authority coming into place because it's not fair. It is not fair to the citizens of Jackson.
With today's ruling, the city of Jackson will now have 5 days to file a claim with the court to decide what it wants to see happens next. And within 10 days, the judge wants all parties in the case to submit briefs for why they must show this new law won't encroach on the judge's jurisdiction. Now, the deadline for appointing all 9 members of the new water authority is tomorrow, May 1st. But the judge says, again, they will not be allowed to make any decisions regarding the day-to-day management of the capital city's water system. For now, we're live at the federal courthouse in downtown. Ross Adams, 16 WAPT News.